Smith 50-gallon electric water heater giving error code E55 for water leak detected. There is no water leak, brand new installation. Is there a way to bypass this error, or what should I do?
Do you know the model of your Smith? Have you talked to a plumber yet?
EG1250 or 55 DV210.
What happened just before your Smith water heater displayed this message?
Just turn the breaker on to run it for the first time. Display turned on, flashed green for about 20 seconds, then started beeping with red light and displayed error code E55, which means water leak.
How long has this been going on with your Smith water heater? What have you tried so far?
Turned off the breaker, opened up the wiring, made sure there was no water inside from installation process, secured it, then turned the power back on. Did this twice. Same results.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, ma'am.
Hello. My name is, and I've been an expert for nearly a decade on JustAnswer. I see you had a long delay in getting an answer with the heavy question volume. I'm sorry about that. My goal is to provide you with a quality answer to your query. The unit will continue to set that code because it is sensing that the water heater is not full and it takes longer than the heater expects to be full. This is normal for a new install, and you need to ensure the water heater is full by checking the pop-off safety valve to see if water comes out. If it doesn't, then you can manually hold the pop-off open manually so it fills faster than it normally would, since this allows the air to be removed from the tank quickly. Once you have water coming out of the safety manual valve, then allow it to close normally and power cycle the unit at the breaker. You should be clear of errors at that point. Let me know if that solves the problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.